What's going on? It's Darren Jamal from Social Living, and today I'm giving away hundreds of my collage source images. So a lot of people always ask me where I get the images for my designs, my posters, collages, anything like that. So I figured the best way would to be just to share the same material that I use. So these are all images that I've scanned at high resolution that I've gotten from the original publications. Books, magazines, old posters, National Geographic, things like that. Now I'm sharing them with you. All you have to do to download them, go to my website socialliving.us or the link in the bio or description wherever it is. Sign up for our newsletter and they'll be instantly emailed to you, and you can download them, use them however you like, print them out, cut them up, do digital collage, whatever works for you. So definitely check it out. That's it.